Hello everyone, start off by drawing this ovular shape, add another shape right behind it and then on either side. Continue to do this in an almost circular like shape until you form an almost circle. After this, add a stem to it, add leaves on either side and then add the detailing to it. We have added the center and then afterwards fill it in as such. Next, start off by drawing the circular shape and then add the detailing to it. Make these diagonal lines throughout as such. After this, add more and more layers to it. Add these curvy lines around it to make it look like petals. The more you add, the better. Now it'll look like a flower. Add a stem to it as such and then add leaves on either end. And now fill it in using red. After this, color it in green as such. This will be the final look of our rose. Next, we'll start off by drawing the circular shape, then add straight lines on the top, the bottom, the sides as such. Now after this, surround it with these curved lines. These will be the petals of our flower. Do this all throughout and then afterwards add these check shapes all around. Within each of these check shapes, add a dot to it as such. Now after this, add a stem to it and then add a leaf at the base. Now once you are done with this, color this in yellow and brown accordingly. Next, add these U shapes and then on the top of this, add these spiky shapes to it as such. Now once you're done with this, on top of these, add these extended lines, on top of which you will add the detailing to make it look like a flower. Now once you have done so, this is what it should look like. Add the detailing right beside it as well. This will be a different kind of flower. Now join the two together using a stem and then at the base you may also add leaves to it as well. Color this in once you are done. We have colored it in pink and brown accordingly. Next, start off by drawing this heart shape and then draw swirls within this heart shape, connect it with drawing vertical lines as such. Add this little U shape at the base as well in order to make the bottom of the rose. Now add a little stem at the base and then add the leaves on either side. Color in the rose in red and then color the green portion with green. Next, start off by drawing this petal-like shape and then afterwards draw the sides to it as well. Add lines on either side and then connect all of it together as such. Now add little stems on either side and then connect the two. Add a little paddy at the bottom of this and now you'll be drawing a lotus. So connect the top flower, that is the lily, with the paddy using a stem as such. Next, start off by drawing this bench and then on top of it, you may add a little pot to it. We have added this pot and then we started adding the little leaves and then do this on the side as well, make them in different shapes. Now, make a little pot and then add a cute little smiley face to it and then add the top to it as well. Add little blush shapes and then add a different shape pot on the side of it. This one will be more elongated with a different flower to it as well. Next, start off by drawing the green stem as such. Add this throughout the paper and then add leaves on either side as such. After this, take a blue marker and then add flowers at the top of this. Now do this with blue, purple, orange and then any other color that you please accordingly. Now add a little yellow tops to it and then take a yellow flower and then afterwards add a butterfly out of it. Make it as designed as possible. As you can see, we have added 3 colors to it. Add the antenna to it as well. Next, we'll start off by drawing these 4 shapes, then take your black marker, add the detailing to it. We'll be drawing different flowers and pots out of them. Now, afterwards, add these little buds all around, color them in green accordingly all throughout. Now, add a different type of leaf to this one. Add the detailing to it and then draw a bigger flower at the back of it with the stem as well. Color this in red. Now, underneath, you may draw a little cactus, add the lines to it as such, and then you may also add little thorns to it. Finally, draw leaves and the plant for the last one. Thank you for watching.